Going back to our data scientist who trains a model and calculates features in a Jupyter Notebook, they may do their feature engineering using pandas in Python. And then at serving time, your ML engineer re-implemented those same features, say using Flink or Spark. Now, it's two separate implementations. And there is an almost endless number of ways in how those two can differ, typically and along edge cases that really matter. Like for instance, maybe you don't have any data for a given user. And so what should be the default feature value? Should it be null? Should it be 0? Should it be the average of the feature values for all the other users for which you have values? You quite know. What should be the floating point precision that you should be using? And there are all these tiny little ways on how or large ways really, if you have just a bug in there, on how these implementations can deviate from each other. And the terrible thing here is that if they deviate, you typically won't know, because your model in production may just perform poorly, but it doesn't scream at you. It doesn't throw an exception that you can look at. You look at the Stack Overflow and you realize, oh, here's a stupid error I made. No, the model is just not going to perform well. And you've got to figure out, why is that? Where is the needle in the haystack here that caused this problem? And so what you really want is you just want to have one shared implementation between training and serving so that this problem cannot happen.